Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to cancel your Squarespace domain subscription. I'll be walking you through this on the web version of Squarespace. First, navigate to your domains dashboard. Click on Settings in the main menu. You'll usually find this on the left side of your screen. Once Settings opens, scroll down until you see the Domains option and click on that. You'll now see a list of all the domains connected to your Squarespace account. Find the domain you want to cancel in that list and click on it. This will open up the details page for that specific domain. Now, which cancellation option you have depends on when you registered the domain. If you registered it within the past 5 days, you can cancel it immediately and get a full refund. If it's been more than 5 days, you'll need to disable auto-renew instead. If you're within that 5-day window, look for the Delete Domain button on the Domain Details page. Click Delete Domain, then click Confirm in the pop-up that appears. That's it, your domain is canceled and you'll receive a full refund automatically. This action can't be undone, so make sure you're certain before confirming. If you're past the 5-day window, you'll need to disable auto-renew instead. Scroll down on the domain details page until you find the auto-renew toggle. Squarespace domains are set to auto-renew by default, so you'll see a toggle switch that says auto-renew or renew automatically. It should currently be in the on position. Click on that toggle to switch it off. The toggle will move to the off position, which stops Squarespace from automatically charging you when the current registration period ends. You'll still own the domain for the rest of the time you've already paid for it. It just won't renew after that. Your settings should save automatically at this point, and your domain will expire at the end of its current billing cycle. A couple of things worth knowing. Squarespace sends you a renewal reminder email 15 days before they would have charged you for renewal, so you'll get fair warning before the domain expires. Once the domain does expire, it becomes available for anyone else to register, so if you think you might want it back later, keep that in mind. If you want to disconnect the domain from your site right away, rather than waiting for it to expire, you can do that in the DNS settings panel. Open the DNS settings for your domain, find the Squarespace defaults section, and click the red trash can icon. The domain usually stops connecting to your site within an hour, though it can take up to 48 hours in some cases. That's it. If this helped, a like and subscribe would be appreciated. See you next time.